Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Crafts. Today I'm going to be making something using my mini Perler beads. I'm making a slime from Dragon Quest into a keychain. The materials I'll be using for this are some pliers, wax paper, a keychain, a jump ring, tweezers, light blue, red, toothpaste, white, and black colored mini Perler beads, an iron, and of course, a mini pegboard. Here's how I did it. Once I'm done placing all the beads, I take a piece of wax paper and iron one side of the slime. Then I pull that off the pegboard and flip it over and iron the other side. Once I'm done ironing it, I immediately place it between some heavy books so that it doesn't bend. When it's cooled down, I add the jump ring and the keychain, and I have a really cool slime keychain. I'm going to add this over on my Instagram, so check out the description below to follow that. That way you can check out the pattern and make one for yourself. If you don't have time to make one for yourself, I've got you covered. Check out my Etsy. Down below it is linked. I have these up if you'd like to order one off my Etsy. And as always, if you're new here, subscribe. I've already filmed a whole bunch of really cool crafts and I can't wait to show them to you guys. So make sure you subscribe so that you will be notified whenever a new video comes out. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend.